I've done this wheel. As you can see, I put other holes in just to make sure it's in the right place. So what happens, this is coming like that. This comes out slightly, if you can see or not, but then it goes back in. So this is fine. It's working fine like this. So that's what I've done up to now. Okay, well guys, I'm drilling these little holes here. You can see the small one that's right up there. So they're very close together, these holes. So yeah. So guys, to recap, what I've done is I put a very small pin in here like this with a sharp edge on that side. The sharp edge is sticking out a little bit. And I got this idea from Mr. P 222. And it's a good idea because it works every time. And then obviously I put, with that pin underneath there, guys, what I did is I moved this to down here and I tapped this like that with a hammer, not too hard, and then I moved it around to that side like that, and I tapped it again. So marking 2 holes, that's what I did. And then I took it apart, obviously. Then I drilled the two holes out, and that's where I am at the moment. So the test comes now when I actually put it together and see if it matches the holes like this. And the next thing I got to do is try and put a little pipe in there. So guys, to test it out, I've moved this to one side and see if this pin, very thin pin, goes right through the hole. And I always get the wrong idea here, but there you go. That's going right through that side there. Then, when I turn this round to the other side, see if the pin goes through the other hole there. And there it is. So, yeah, I got that mark correctly, thanks to Mr. Pete 222. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is put the little thing in there. I'm going to try and use, I just want to say something about this particular thing. I had used this hole here, and the holes on these holes here were very close together. So I went as far as I possibly could, well, as far as I had the hole drill there. So I repinned it there, then I measured it all up again. So to put this in, the reason I chose this thickness, not even this thickness, but I chose it thick anyway, so I can drill halfway and push that in. That's what I'm going to do now. So guys, I've drilled a hole there, 3.5 supposed to be. I'm just going to try and tap it straight down if I can. It's quite difficult. So here we are, guys. This will go through there like that, and that will go through there like this. Basically like this. So just got to do another hole there, cut this down, tighten it up. That's how the engine will look like then. So this is it, guys. I've put it on. There you go. There it is. Put it together now and try it. I had a lot of problem with this pin here, thread, and what happened is I soldered it with a solder and it didn't work. I even glued it before now, and then I had it silver soldered and it came off still, so I was kind of desperate of trying to find out how to get this pin in there and keep it in there. So I searched the internet and I found what they call Unibond. Unibond's supposed to be for the metal. I put that in. At this moment in time it has stuck nicely. I've cleaned it all up there and it's firm at the moment. Until I check it, until I test it with steam, I won't know how good this is, because Unibond does say it gets up to a certain temperature, it's fine. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment